Hello everyone, today we're going to practice Pilates on the formula for the forward head posture. But this will be very effective for you to strengthen your core today without straining your neck and shoulders. And I suggest that you have a towel, especially if your head is pretty tilted forward, you need a towel for more support. So this is a mini workshop series. Today I'll share with you a few exercises, and if you'd like to experience the full class, you can also click on the link below to explore a full workshop. All right, let's begin right now. Now let's have your formula firmly on your Pilates mat, and we're going to have a towel right beside us. So from here, so let's sit at the edge of your mat. If you are new to the formula, I suggest that you have your hands down and slowly adjust yourself, and slowly release your spine down to the formula. Just make sure your head is well supported. Okay, you may have to glide down slightly to make sure that you're comfortable, your head is not hanging, and I highly recommend that you just fold your towel this way and then place the towel back of your eyes like this so that you can feel that the neck is in a neutral position. All right, and then relax your pelvis. And from here, we're just going to start by breathing. So we're going to release. So because a lot of you are rolling your shoulders forward, it's going to be quite a bit of tension in the chest area. We're going to have the palms now not too high. Relax the hips. Okay, close your eyes. Head aligned with our body, and just breathe. So inhale through our nose, exhale from pursed lips. Let all the air out. Inhale without arching your back. Exhale, relax the arms. So the more relaxed you are, you're going to feel more release in the chest area. Now let's just have the hands like this, palms down, 45 degrees, aware that our spine is in neutral. And from here, let's gently draw the right knee up and just stay here. Make sure you're not rocking, and lower down without arching your back. And inhale, left knee up, and exhale. And this time, inhale, right knee up. Okay, so your palms down, giving you a bit of support, and when you're ready, you're going to bring your left knee up, okay, and make sure you're not arching your back. Can see, okay, I'm resting my lower back on the foam roller. I'm not tensing my hip flexor, so knees not too close, somewhere over your hips, as long as you're not arching your back. And from here, we're going to slowly straighten the left leg, lower down to 45 degrees, and inhale, switch. Exhale, switch. Inhale, switch. Exhale, switch. Inhale, switch. Exhale, switch. So if you find that you're arching your back, you can point your toes up higher, okay, to prevent the arching of the lower back. And last one here, bend the knees, inhale. As we exhale, separate the knees and slowly lower one foot down, lower the other foot down, and relax your hips, okay, your pelvis. Let's reach the arms up. So imagine you're holding a box in front of your chest. Notice that I'm gliding my shoulder blades down, so I keep my shoulders away from my ears. And just stay like this. Find your balance. If you're still rocking, then after a few seconds, you can lower down and find your balance and then go back up again. But if you feel comfortable from here, inhale. As we exhale, we're going to slowly bring our arms up overhead. As you get stronger, you'll find that you will not be rocking so much. And then bring it back up. Inhale and exhale, lower down. Inhale, reach the arms up. Okay, and keeping the shoulders away from the ears, slowly bring the arms, or just at this level, shoulder level, okay, not lower than the shoulders. And inhale up and exhale down. So now we're going to have the palms facing up. We're going to draw a semicircle, reaching to the side. So notice that I'm not dropping, so I'm engaging my shoulder blades muscles, and slowly bring it over the head. It can be higher, no problem. And slowly reach up and down, strengthening our upper back. And inhale up and over our head. Again, not dropping too low, palms facing up. We're just doing shoulder level like this and bring it beside our hips. Let's do one more time, okay? And inhale here. Exhale slowly over our head, find our center, and inhale up and exhale down. And inhale up, exhale overhead. Find that position that works for you. You're not arching your back, spine stays neutral, palms facing up, slowly reaching to the side and all the way down beside your hips. And slowly release the palms down, relax, and you can also choose to have the palms up, and again release the chest and relax. And next one, okay, let's go into the opposing arms and legs, okay? So this will be a little bit challenging if you are doing the first time, all right? So from here, extend our arms like this and palms down. Draw the right knee up, try to find your balance. A lot of times we have muscle imbalance, so you find that you might be rocking on one side. So the more you practice, okay, you will find there's more balance, all right? And from here, if you can, your left hand up. So your right hand is supporting you a little bit here, and inhale, let's keep the arms here, and exhale, just the right leg extend out, and one more time, inhale, and exhale, extend, reach the right toe away and come back. And then now you're going to try to move your left hand away from the center and come back. Inhale, shoulders away from the ears, and exhale, reach. So if you can, combine both together, inhale and exhale. Inhale, center, and exhale. Inhale, center, and exhale. Inhale, center, and exhale. Last one, inhale, center, and exhale. And back to center and slowly lower down and right foot down. Okay, prepare for the other side. So my left hand will be touching the floor throughout. Let's have the left knee up first. Find your balance. Whenever you're ready, you're going to reach your right arm up, shoulders away from your ears. Let's start with the legs first, okay? And just feel, okay? And inhale here very slowly. Exhale, extend and reach out and coming back. Inhale. And exhale, extend, and bring it back. Stay here. Let's go with the right arm now. Inhale, and exhale, reach the right arm away from the center, and do not drop it down, okay? Just right about here. And inhale, center, and exhale, and reach out. So don't turn your head, keep the head in the same position. Now if you can, we're going to do it with the arms and legs, okay? And inhale, and exhale. And inhale, center, exhale, stabilizing the trunk, inhale, center, and exhale, extend. Let's do two more. Inhale and exhale. Last one. Inhale and exhale. Back to center, inhale and exhale, slowly lower the palms down, find your balance, slowly lower the left foot down. Okay, and then from here, let's just have the palms up for two more deep breaths, releasing any tension that you might feel in the chest area. And still keeping the head aligned, breathing, breathing, breathing. Okay, very slowly, we're just going to just roll to the side, supporting ourselves, and slowly lower the buttocks down and then slowly come back down. Okay, and then from here we can come up safely in this position. All right, let's just go to a counter stretch here. We're going to have the foam roller like this in front of us. So stand tall on our knees hip distance apart. All right, so from here, I'm just going to slowly nod my head. Okay, flex my spine, my neck first, top of the spine. And as I roll down, my fingertips will touch and gently roll the foam roller away. So if the back is very tight or the shoulders very tight, you can have the hands further away. You can just stay like this. If you feel comfortable, the forehead can gently touch the mat if you feel comfortable. Okay, take a deep breath here. Inhale. As we exhale, rounding the lower back, rounding the mid back, and slowly come up. Okay, so you don't need to hold there and come back. And one more time. So let's say your neck and shoulders really tight. So from here, roll down, touch, roll away, rounding the back. You can just stay here, don't go too deep. Okay, then the rest of you can go a little bit deeper. And take a deep breath. Feel your in-breath. Exhale. Now we're going to articulate the spine, starting with the lower spine. Inhale. Exhale, rounding the lower spine, rounding the mid-spine, coming up. Okay, and slowly, taller, taller, taller. And stay here and relax. Now in today's mini workshop series, we are focusing on stabilizing the shoulder blades, okay, and also how to just use very simple exercises that I've just shown you to target the deep core muscles without lifting the head up. So a lot of times we lift the head up just to feel the core muscles. You don't need to. So the foam roller will be really good, okay, to prevent us from lifting the head up, but at the same time, we can strengthen our core muscles. So there are more variations of exercises and a full class. Once again, if you are interested, you can click on the link below. If you find this video helpful and enjoyable, do give this video a like and do share with your friends. And I hope to see you in the next tutorial. Have a great day.